Morning. Yeah, we're here at Bretto's house. We just got some parts. Arrived yesterday for the F truck. We got some brake cylinders, some hoses, high beam switch, just a bunch of random shit. These old trucks, this is the high beam switch here, down on your foot. We're gonna change that, change a few hoses, get the Julies back on after we fix the back brakes. Do a bit of a time lapse. As you can see, we got the hub off now, got the new brake cylinder in. We put it back together, put a new brake line on, and this side's done.